Now this UK AI site is going to be paying you to be asking questions on their site, right? So once you get to this site, all you have to do is just input your prompt. Now this is my own. I said, why is infidelity in men greater in the world right now? Now all you just have to do is just compare answers from 2 different AI sites and you get paid. Okay, so now this is what you are going to see. They will bring out their prompt. Now you can see their conclusions from Gemini and a lot. So anyone you prefer, just tap on I prefer this, but make sure that you've read it already and you understand what you're doing, right? So you tap on I prefer this and tell them the reason why you prefer that one. Now you can see I said on target, style, insight, and more detailed and well explained. Now they'll give you a card to scratch. All you just have to do is use your hands to scratch that card and you're going to earn your credits, okay, because you can withdraw that your credit. So now I am giving 5,000 credits. So this is how you earn on this particular UK AI site. Just ask questions and get paid. Okay guys, welcome back to my channel, and on today's video I am going to be talking about a particular AI site that is going to be paying you to ask questions. Imagine getting paid for all of the questions that you've been asking ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, all this while. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, you're welcome. I am Coach Stephanie, and over here I share make money online tips that can help you level up financially, step-by-step video tutorials on how to register on legit paying survey websites, legit paying dating apps, legit paying game apps, because we have a lot of game apps that pay you just to play games online and you're not depositing any money as well, and legit paying AI sites just like the video that you're about to watch. So if this interests you, if this sounds like something you've been looking for, hit that subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you'll be the first person to get notified when I post amazing videos like this one. Have you done that? Now let's dive into the video. So the first thing you would want to do, my friends, is go over to your settings and search for your region. Okay, now you can search for your region through your setting, or you check your date and time zone, right? Now you tap on the first one, it's going to bring you to this place. Now you can see my region is Nigeria. You just tap on that Nigeria. You can see that my own is Nigeria, time zone Lagos. Tap on the Nigeria to select United Kingdom. Okay, now you can see different countries. You can just go as well as just search for the country if you don't want to, you know what I'm saying, like scroll up to search for United Kingdom. Okay, now this is United Kingdom, and all you have to do is just click on that United Kingdom and it's going to take it back to this interface. Now you can see my region has changed to United Kingdom. My time zone is now in Greenwich Mean Time. Now the next thing you want to do is go over to your VPN app and you connect to the United Kingdom. Now this particular VPN that I am making use of is called Proton VPN, which you can download on your Play Store or your App Store. Okay, and this particular VPN is a paid VPN, but if you need a free VPN that you can make use of, you can just go ahead and search for Tunnelbed VPN or WireGuard. Those are free VPNs, but this particular one is paid, right? So after you connect to United Kingdom, you go back to your Chrome browser and search for Yupp AI, WPP-AI, right? Now it is going to open. You can see from my location that my VPN is connected to Greater London. Now you tap on the first one that you're going to see, which is this Yupp. It's going to take you to this. Now you're going to see this interface where they said Yupp, every AI for everybody, right? So all you just have to do is tap on this sign in with Google. It's going to take you to where you see all of the images you have on your phone. You pick the particular image that you want to make use of and it's going to take you back into the site just like this, right? So from what you can see here, they said, hey Stelina, write your first prompt. Now you have to type in a question. Like I said, you get paid to ask questions, right? Please, when asking questions, don't ask random stupid questions. Ask questions that has meaning. Do you understand? Like maybe something like, what do you think about the new AI or something? Like just add something that is meaningful, not just anyhow something, right? Now, like what you can see from my own, I said, why is infidelity in men greater these days? And I sent it. So let us wait for the reply that they are going to give to me. And boom, you get answers from 2 different AI sites, and this one is from Gwen 3. Okay, this is from Gwen 3. But see, when you're doing your own, make sure that you ask something that is at least interesting so that you can read it. Do you understand? Then after comparing the two, whichever one you prefer, you just tap on this I prefer this one depending on the AI site, and it's going to take you to this interface, right? Now they tell you to, why was this response better? Then you can pick the reasons and at least add a little write-up. Make sure to add something. Don't just pick that one and send feedback. Now you'll be given a scratch to win credit. Now this credit is what you can withdraw on this particular site. Now you can see that I've scratched mine and I won 5,000 Yupp credits. Okay, now you can withdraw this particular credit. Now if you're finding this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's continue. Then after this, it's gonna bring you this interface where they wanna ask you to add your age and everything. Okay, you add your age, your education level, which is master's degree for me. Now occupation, don't go and pick anything. Please pick researcher or freelancer. Adding your occupation, maybe you can put researcher or freelancer. Then you cross-check and make sure that everything is intact. Then you can now get started. Okay, now go back to your, then you can now maybe like scroll up and see other things for yourself. Right now you can now go back to your profile to see what you've done so far. Now from my profile you can see that I have 5,000 Yupp credits, and I just answered just one feedback. You can see there is only one that you're seeing there. Now Yupp credits cashed out 0 because this is just a new what's it called, this is my new account that I created for this particular video. Okay, now you can see that there's nothing like withdrawal button here. Okay, because the AI set is going to automatically open the withdrawal for you when they know that you've accumulated it. So you make sure that you're always here and you are being consistent. Okay, now one more thing. Now from my profile you can see that you can see United Kingdom there. That means that the VPN did the work that it was supposed to do and every other thing, right? So make sure that you are always asking questions, because the more questions you ask, the more they'll be giving you what's it called, cards to scratch, and once you scratch it you are going to definitely win something. Okay, so that is just it. Now before you say how much is the minimum withdrawal for the what's it called, for the coins that they are giving you, right? There is nothing like minimum withdrawal. Okay, what I like, my own minimum withdrawal is going to be different from yours. Now some people can withdraw in a day depending on how many hours are you dedicating the app to ask questions, you get. And some people withdraw 3 days, some people withdraw in a week. So all of these things depend on how consistent you are. So let's just take one more tutorial and we round up this video. Okay, so now I asked this question: what is the leading cause of divorce now in 2025? So let's see the answer that you're going to give me, right? So let's just wait and see what you're going to say. Now you can see what you wrote, right? Now the leading cause of divorce is lack of commitment. Okay, so you can just go ahead and read all of those things, and that is just it. After reading, you pick the particular AI app that you prefer, that says something that you like, and you add a little title, like a little write-up on why you prefer that particular one. You scratch and you win your card. It is that simple. So if you're few things that you need to know, okay, before I go, make sure that your VPN is always turned on whenever you want to come to this particular site. Make sure that VPN is always turned on. Do not come to this site when your VPN is not turned on. So whenever, the more you answer questions, the more you're going to be earning your credits. Right now, once you get to the minimum withdrawal, you're going to come to your site one day and they will tell you that your withdrawal button has been opened and you can withdraw through PayPal, you can withdraw through UK account number, which you can get from Grey. Okay, now if you know that you don't have a Grey account, a UK Grey account, and you would want me to make a video on how you can get a Grey account and verify it here in Nigeria, let me know in the comment section, right? And tell me the next video tutorial that you would want to see. Now if you're here and you've been wanting to get started with online survey but you don't know which one to get started with, now this is your chance to check the video that you're seeing right above this video. All right, you go over there, watch it and get started. Everything that you need to know is there. So this is going to be all for now, my friends. Bye.